Is audio video clear? Okay. So clocks and data interpretation. First, we'll start with clocks. Morning. In a dial. Minute hand, hour hand, and then understand. So overall, this space dial is actually 360 degrees. We can mention it as 360 degree or 60-minute spaces. Okay. Either we can deal all the questions with the degree or with minute spaces. So 60-minute spaces. Overall angle is 360 degree means how much is this? 180 degree. How much is this? 90 degree. Then how much is this? Between 12 to 1, what is the angle? No. See, overall, this is 180. Understand? And this is 90. No, not 45. 30. See, 330 degrees are there. 30 degree, 30 degree, 30 degree. Added only 90 degree. Understand? So between 12 to 1, 30 degree. Between 1 to 2, 30 degree. 2 to 3, 30 degree. Clear? With that understanding, at 4 o'clock, what is the angle between minute hand and hour hand? $120. Is it clear, everyone? 12 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and 3 to 4. 120 degree. At 4 o'clock, the angle between minute hand and hour hand is 120 degrees. Okay, fine. At 4:10, what is the angle between minute hand and hour hand? At 4:10, what is the angle between minute hand and hour hand? So what is our understanding? In 10 minutes, minute hand is moving from 12 to 2. So because of that, 60 degree it is getting reduced, right? Okay. What about hour hand? Till 4:59, it will show 4 o'clock, and immediately at 5 o'clock, it will go to 5. Is that correct? That understanding? Minute hand, fine. Whatever you people told is fine. What about hour hand? What happened to that? Is it fixed at 4 o'clock? And at 5 o'clock, immediately it will move to 5 question. Okay, that is what the whole clocks all about. Understand? So one by one we'll understand. See, minute hand. If I take minute hand, in 1 hour it will travel how much angle? Minute hand in 1 hour. 360 degree. That is, in 60 minutes, it will travel 360 degree. It will come to 12 position again. So in 6 minutes, 36 degree. Every minute it will move 6 degree. Understand? Every minute hand is moving 6 degree. That's why in 10 minutes it will move 60 degree. That's why you subtract it. Everything is fine. Now take hour hand. In 1 hour, how much it will move? Our hand will move 30 degree. 60 minutes 30 degree means 6 minutes 3 degree. Every minute it is moving how much angle? Half degree. That is most important concept. Every minute our hand is moving half degree. It is moving only half degree. That's why it is not visible to us, but it is moving. Understand? So in this 10 minutes, how much it would have moved? In this 10 minutes, how much it would have moved? Every minute it is moving half degree. So in 10 minutes, it will move 5 degree. Understand? So 65 degrees is the actual answer, not 60 degrees. At 4:10, the angle between minute hand and hour hand is 65 degrees, not 60. Every minute it is moving half degree. So in 10 minutes, it will move 10 into 1 by 2, that is 5 degree. Okay, leave that. We have anyway formula for that to find the angle between minute hand and hour hand. But point is, minute hand moves every minute 6 degree, hour hand moves every minute half degree. Both are formulas. And the speed ratio of hour hand to minute hand is 1 by 2 is to 6. So what is the exact ratio? Minute hand to hour hand, final ratio. One is to 12. Yes. The speed ratio of minute hand and hour hand is 1 is to 12. Okay. These 3 points are important. First note it down. Clear? Second concept. First concept is this. Second concept. Angle between minute hand and hour hand. The formula is theta is equivalent to 11 by 2m minus 30h modulus. Angle between minute hand and hour hand. Okay. So if you want to check at 4:10, this is hour and this is minute. Understand? Apply it here. 11 by 2m minus 30h. 55 minus 120 modulus. So it is minus 65. This will become 65. Clear? $520. What is the angle? Hours, minutes. Theta is equivalent to 11 by 2m minus 30h. 110 minus 150. 40 degree. Clear how to apply the formula? The angle between minute and hour hand formula, most important formula. Theta is equivalent to 11 by 2m minus 30h. Just note down this example. We'll do one more question so that you'll understand clearly. Angle between minute hand and hour hand formula. Only one formula in clocks, that is most important. Clear? Any doubts in these formulas? No. Come back to this again. Time is now 1 o'clock. Okay. Between 1 to 2. Okay. What time 0 degree situation will come? The angle between minute hand and hour hand between 1 to 2. At what time 0 degree situation will come? You don't need to say the exact time. Approximately you tell. You do the rotation and tell me at what time the angle between minute hand and hour hand is 0. Between 1 to 2. Tell me the approximate time. One 10. No. Around 1.5, right? 1.5 to 1.6 or 1.7. Maximum 1.6. Okay. Approximately 1.5. Okay. Fine. Between 2 to 3. At what time 0 degree situation comes? Is that any other timing other than 1.5? That also you check. And then between 2 to 3 now. At what time the 0 degree situation comes? Around 2:10 to 2:11, right? Correct. So every 1 hour, how many times the situation happens? Yeah, 2:10 to 2:11. Fine. Okay. Every 1 hour, how many times the situation occurs? One time, right? Now, between 11 to 1, 2 hours. Between 11 o'clock to 1 o'clock. Time is now 11. Start doing rotation. When the overlapping happen? Between 11 to 1. Tell me those, Charan. When and all it will happen. 3 times means when. 1 time means when. 3 times means when. Yeah, tell me the timings. 0132, Akash. Say approximately. At 12 o'clock, one time it will happen. Fine. Then 1-5 is actually between 1 to 2, right? 0132. Why you are adding that? Between 11 to 1 only my question. One time is 12 o'clock, 0 degree. 12 o'clock, what is angle between minute hand and hour hand? 0 degree. Then any other timing? Okay. So only at 12 o'clock. Understand? So at 12 o'clock. Okay. Clear? Between 11 to 1, actually it has to happen 2 times. But 11:55 it will move towards 12. So at 12 o'clock, between 11 to 12 also 12, 12 to 1 also 12. That's the logic we are trying to derive. Okay. So every 12 hours, how many times? Then every 12 hours, how many times? Eleven times. Perfect. Every day, 22 times. That's the concept we are deriving. First, understand this. So every 1 hour once, but between 11 to 1 only once. Due to that, every 12 hours 11 times. Every day 22 times. Now come back to 180-degree situation. Between 1 to 2, at what time 180-degree situation comes? Approximately tell me. No need to go for the exact answer. Between 1 to 2, at what time 180-degree situation comes? So around 135 to 140, right? Around 135 to 140. Perfect. Between 2 to 3, at what time the situation occurs? Do the visual rotation and say the answer. Somewhere around 240 to 245, right? Fine. So every 1 hour once. Now do the rotation from 5 to 7. 5 o'clock to 7 o'clock. Start from 5 o'clock. At what time the 180 situation comes? How many times it comes? Only once. No, not 5:55. In 55 minutes, it would have moved 27 degree. 0132. Understand, when the minute hand comes here, at that time it would have come here, because in 55 minutes it will move 27 degrees, 27.5 degrees. We know that every minute it is moving half degree. Understand? Yeah, 6 o'clock only they will meet. So every 12 hours, how many times? 11 times. Every day, 22 times. Understand the concept. Every 1 hour once, between 5 to 7 only once, between 12 hours, 11 times, every day, 22 times. Little bit fast, we have to complete clocks topic in 1.5 hours. Then only we can spend some time on data interpretation. Now 90-degree scenario. Take the time 1 to 2. No. That's second case, Siddharth. We are going to find the exact timing by using that formula. As of now, approximately you tell me. That's all. Okay. Now time is 1 o'clock. At what time 90-degree situation comes? Between 1 to 2. Why, man? Perfect. So around at 120 it will come, right? Is that the only one answer? Yes. Around 150 to 155. Because here also it moved towards 2, so around 155. Four to 5. Try now 4 to 5. Take a value. Now the time is 4 o'clock. What time 90-degree situation comes? At 4, 5. Then understand, 4:35 to 4:34, something around. So 2 times. Yes. Understand, 2 times. So every 1 hour, 2 times the situation happens. Clear? Now the time is 2. 2 to 4. Between 2 to 4. Do the rotation for 2 hours. At what time The situation happens between 2 to 4. Tell me the timings. Around 2:28, 1, then 3, then visual topic. It's actually completely visual topic. Visually, you have to do the rotation and say the answers around 3:30. Okay. So how many times? Actually, every 1 hour, 2 times means every 2 hours it has to become 4 times. But it is happening 3 times only. Why? Because of 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock was there between 2 to 3 and also 3 to 4. Understand? Similarly, 8 to 10 also 3 times only. Understand? Due to that, every 12 hours, how many times it will happen? Anyone? Every hour 2 times means 12 hours, it has to be 24. But it's not going to be 24 because we are losing at 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock. So every 12 hours, how many times? Yes, 22 times. We are missing because of 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock. Every day, 44 times. Okay, is it clear? So 0 degree missing because of 12 o'clock, 180 degree missing because of 6 o'clock, 90 degree missing because of 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock, 30 degree missing because of which time? Anyone tell me? 0 degree linked with 12 o'clock, 180 degree linked with 6 o'clock, 90 degree linked with 3 and 9, 30 degree linked with what time? One and 11. 11 o'clock also 30 degree. Understand? So finally, I'm making it a formula. See, 0 degree, 180 degree, 1 degree to 179 degree. For everything, this is the formula. For 1 degree to 179 means everything. This is the final formula. 1 hour, once, twice. 12 hours, 11, 11, 22. In a day, 22, 22, 44. 1 degree to 179 degree. For all the angles, this is the formula. Final formula. That missing is because of, we know that now. Clear? A little bit fast. Already we spent a lot of time on this concept. This is the formula. Based on that, actually, many times questions are there. So that's why we are seeing in depth. Okay. One more concept, we'll move on. So the point is, 2 ways actually the questions will be there. One is time they will give and they will ask you to find the angle. Understand? Another is angle they will give and they will ask you to find the time. If they give the time and finding the angle, it is very easy because we know the formula. theta is equal to 11 by 2m minus 30h. But in case if they give the angle, finding the time, there are two times are possible, because for 90-degree itself, two times are possible. So we have to check a minus b and also b minus c. Understand? So I'll explain. Say for example, between 1 to 2, we have done, right? 90-degree situation. I'll do now. See this. 90-degree equal to 11 by 2m minus 30h. See, between 1 to 2 means how we'll represent the time 1m, right? So minutes will be same, hours will be 1 hour, right? In the formula. So 11 by 2m is equivalent to 90 plus 30, 120. Exact timing. You will find the exact timing now. 240 by 11. So 2 11s are 22, remaining 20, 1, 9 by 11. So exact time is 121, 9 by 11. At that time, the angle between a minute hand and hour hand is 90-degree. But we know that one more time is there. So the same formula, 90-degree equal to 31 minus 11 by 2m. So write b minus c. So 11 by 2m is equivalent to 30h, 30 minus 90, 60, 20 by 11. Wait. 160, 1 second. Between 4 to 5, this will do. 4 to 5, the 90-degree situation. When it will happen? First we'll see. 4m, 90-degree equal to 11 by 2m minus 30 into 4. 11 by 2m is equal to 120 plus 90, 210. M is equivalent to 420 by 11. 3 11s are 33. Remaining 90. 8 11s are 2 by 11. So 438, 2 by 11. One answer. And then so 11 by 2m is equal to 120 minus 30, sorry, 90. That is 30. M is equal to 60 by 11. 5 5 by 11. So 4 5 5 by 11. That is another answer. Okay. I'll check for the 1 to 2. First understand this. Between 4 to 5, at what time the angle between monitor and hour hand. So what I'm saying is, see the options first. If there is an option, okay, A or B, go for B minus A also. That's all. Okay, if there is only one option, means you don't need to go for other way. If there is one more option, means then we have to try. That's all. Okay. So 2 more concepts are there, important concepts are there. First, you will do exercise questions one by one. If any doubts, I will clarify. Otherwise, we'll do. The point is, we have to complete the class in 1 hour. Then only we can see data interpretation in detail. So a little bit fast. First, note down this, and then start doing first question. Clocks topic in handout. Page number, anyone? Page number 170. Yeah, thanks. First question, what's the answer? So 6 hours, we know that in 1 hour it will move 30 degree because they are speaking about our hand. Stop me if you have any doubt. Page number 170, Akash. 170. So again, they are speaking about our hand. Between 12 to 5, 5 hours is there. We know that in 5 hours it will move 150 degree. 5 to 5:10, 10 minutes is there. In 10 minutes it will move 5 degree. So 155. Split it like that and then proceed. At 4:20, the angle between minute hand and hour hand. Yeah, proceed. Little bit fast. We don't have time. 110 minus 120, so 10 degree. Perfect. Yes. Next. Stop me if you have any doubts. Otherwise, proceed. $340. So 220 minus 90, 130. Yes. Question number 5. Yeah, come back. So concept is there. One second, I'll explain it. So 3 angles are there. CSR. Remember the term CSR. Corporate social responsibility. Okay. Complex angle. Sorry, complementary angle. Supplementary angle. reflex angle. There are three types of angles are there. Understand? So this is theta. This is complementary angle. This is theta. This is supplementary angle. This is theta, and this is reflex angle. So complementary angle means 90 minus theta. Supplementary angle means 180 minus theta. Reflex angle means 360 minus theta. 90, 180, 360. CSR, complementary, supplementary, and reflex angle. It will be useful in trigonometry and area volume topic also, geometry related questions. Okay, just understand. Complementary angle means 90 minus theta, supplementary angle 180 minus theta, reflex angle 360 minus theta. Yes. So find the angle and then find the value. So what is theta? How much you got? Theta. Theta 190. No. Reflex angle is how much? Final answer is reflex angle. How much theta you got using the formula for 1025? $162.5. So 162.5 means what is the reflex angle? 197.5. That's the answer. So answer is 197.5. Clear? So complementary, supplementary, and reflex. Yes, proceed. Question number 6. Question number 6. Question number 7. So 90 degree, 180 degree. Question number 8. It's 22 again. Question number 9. What's the answer? Question number 9. Straight means Both are straight only. Understand? 0 degree and 180 degree. Both are straight. So 44. Understand the difference? Both are straight. Yes. Question number 10. Any doubts? Stop me. Otherwise, proceed. Question number 10. Some more. Some two concepts are there. Tough concepts are there. So find the time. What's the answer? Question number 10. So ln by 2m is equal to 180 plus 120, 300. M is equal to 600 by 11. 5 lambs are 55, 4, 6 by 11. So option D. Let's proceed. 4, 54, 6 by 11, minutes past 4. Like that only they will tell the time. So now do 11. Question number 11. Clocks is one of the easiest topic other than the two concepts what we are going to see. Everything is very easy, direct questions. Between 9 to 10, 0 degree equal to 11 by 2 m minus 30 h. 4 lambs are 44, remaining 100, 9, 1 by 11. See, whether it is 5 to 5:30 or 5:30 to 6, doesn't matter. We used to say the time as 5 a.m. only. Understand? Find the answer. In case if it is not in that, go for A minus B. That's all. $480 by 11. It's already there between 5:30 to 6. In case 5 to 5:30 they are asking, go for B minus A. But here direct answer, so no need to go for it. So now one more concept. You first understand there is actually fast clock and slow clock. First understand the difference between fast clock and slow clock. So today is 12 o'clock. In 24 hours, next day, when the correct clock shows 12, understand? If other clock shows 12:01, another clock shows 11:58, 11:55, or whatever it is. Understand the difference between fast clock and slow clock. Understand? The beauty of clock is if it happens once means in the same frequency only it will keep on increase. Next day, if it shows 12, what the fast clock will show? 12:02. Slow clock will show. Is it clear? Clear. Understand the meaning of fast clock and slow clock. In the certain time period, if it move fast, that is called fast clock. If it is move slow, that is called slow clock. Okay. Now, time is now 12 o'clock. If my watch shows 11:30, whether it is fast clock or slow clock. Correct clock shows 12 o'clock and my watch shows 11:30, whether it is a fast clock or slow clock. That's my question. Wait. Correct clock and fast clock will take. Time is now 12. Day 1. When the correct clock shows 12, it is showing 12:01. On day 60, when the correct clock shows 12, what is the fast clock time? 1. Right? Wait. On day 600, when the correct clock shows 12, what is the fast clock time? On day 660, it will show 11. On day 690, it will show what time? On day 690, it will show what time? 690, not 720, 30 minutes. When the correct clock shows 12 o'clock, my clock shows 11:30. Whether my clock is fast clock or slow clock. Everyone told slow clock, right? Yeah, it will happen to slow clock also. Why you confirmed it is a slow clock? See, it is just because it is showing slow. Understand? It doesn't matter. It happens first. That doesn't matter. My question is first understand the question. Okay, I am behind you because I'm behind you. It's not the reason I am slow. Understand? I may be in second row. Understand? In a circle, if two people are running, understand? A is behind B means it doesn't mean that A is slow. A is in the second row. That is possible, right? So whether he is behind or forward, not be the reason for fast clock or slow clock. Okay, don't jump into that conclusion. With reference only, we have to say whether it is a fast clock or slow clock, not by seeing the time. Is that clear? It may be fast clock, it may be slow clock. Next day or in next 1 hour, what will happen? If correct clock moves 1 hour, if wrong clock moves 1 hour 1 minute, it is fast clock. If it moves 59 minutes, it is slow clock. That's what the point for fast clock and slow clock. Clear? So fast clock may behind you, fast clock may ahead you. Both are possible. Clear? See, there is one famous proverb, right? Even the stopped clock will show the right time twice in a day. So that is also possible. So fast clock also will show right time on some time. Understand? Maybe on 7:20 today, both will show 12 o'clock. Understand? Slow clock also will show right time somewhere in between. That we have to find. That's the concept. We are going to use it for next 2-3 questions. Is it clear? Yes, we'll move on to the question. One question I will do, understand the question. Then, based on that, I think one more. Yeah, this is a UPSC question. Okay, this question I will do. Next question I will do. That's the mean. Okay, fast clock. A watch gains uniformly, so it is fast clock. It's 2 minutes slow at noon on Monday. So Monday. Well, at that time it is 11:58 Monday. Okay, so next Monday, so Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday 12. From there, 2 p.m. Monday. At that time, when the right clock shows 2 p.m. Monday, it is showing to 4:48. Is that correct? First understand the left hand side is correct clock and right hand side is fast clock. Monday, 11:58 Monday. Next week, 2 p.m. Monday. Understand? So, see, for all these type of questions, only one thing you have to find. Reference. A, B, C, what is X? That's what we need to find. So, A into X equal to B into C. X is equal to B into C by A. This is the formula we are going to apply. So, right clock and wrong clock reference they gave. Based on that, we have to identify the timing. So, once you got the logic, the similar questions will be easy. Of course, this question is level 3 question, but UPSC asks a question in this. So, try to understand what is the reference point I'm going to take. Okay. See, how many hours it travel? 24, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 full days. Understand? So 7 into 24. Plus from here 2 hours. So 140, 168 plus 2, 170 hours. When correct clock traveled 170 hours, wrong clock gained how much time? Anyone tell me? Wrong clock gained how much time? When correct clock traveled 170 hours, wrong clock gained how much time? Here it is 2 minutes behind. Here it is 4 minutes 48 seconds behind. So from -2 to +4. Listen, 6 minutes 48 seconds. Can I say like this? See, in a graph, try to understand. -1 to +2 means how much distance is this? -1 to +2. 3. Understand? Same way from -2 to +4. 6 minutes 48 seconds. Is that clear? So when it will show the right time is the question. When it will show the right time? Somewhere in between, right? For that, it has to gain how much time? 2 minutes. So what is X? That's the question. That's all. In 170 hours, if a fast clock gained 6 minutes 48 seconds means in how many hours it will gain 2 minutes. That's the logic you have to identify. For all those similar questions, you have to practice similar question like this. Only one thing is you have to identify the reference point. Okay, one question if you have seen, then the other questions will be easy. And one more rule is in the cross multiplication, whether all the 4 should be in same unit. That is one rule. Or AC in 1 unit, BX is in 1 unit. Or AB in 1 unit, CX in 1 unit. Understand? So AC in hours means BX maybe in minutes. That is allowed. AB in hours means CX in minutes. That is allowed. But we should maintain the units same. Understand? Now, this is in minutes. So no doubt. 2 minutes. But this is in minutes and seconds. That is not allowed. This is in hours. This is in hours. Not allowed. So that's fine. So this convert this from -2 to +4, Anju. Initially it is -2. That's why we have drawn a graph. Initially it is 2 minutes behind. From there, it is 4 minutes 48 seconds past. So how much it gained? See. You are 2 rupees debt. After a week, you have 4 rupees 48 paise in your hand. So how much you travel from -2 debt to +4? So 645. Is it clear? So one more point is the 648 you have to convert into minutes itself. 648 minutes and seconds. 648 by 60. 4 by 5. 34 by 5 minutes. 34 by 5 minutes. See, hours, minutes, seconds. This conversion you have to clear. Hours to minutes, minutes to seconds, you have to multiply by 60. Seconds to minutes, you have to divide by 60. Minutes to hours, you have to divide by 60. I'm dividing by 60 because seconds to minutes I am converting. This conversion, please be careful. Clear. So in 648, write 34 by 5 minutes. Now do the cross multiplication, you will get the answer. That's all. So only one step, but obviously it is a little bit tough. I'll understand. Okay, so try to understand the concept clearly. So what is x? X into 34 by 5 is equal to 170 into 2. X is equal to 170 into 2 into 5 by 34. No. Both are in minutes, so no need to convert. You will get the answer in hours. See, either all 4 will be 1 unit or 2 should be in unit, 1 unit. That is allowed in cross multiplication. Because anyway it will then cancel. So 2 times 10 times 50 hours. 50 hours means 24 hours, 24 hours, 2 hours, 48. So 2 p.m. Wednesday. At 2 p.m. Wednesday, both the clocks will show the same time, or the fast clock will show the right time. First, note down this. I will explain again. One more question, if you see, you will understand. First, note on this. No, not from 11:58. From 12 o'clock. 12 noon only, right? This 50 hours is right clock time, not long clock time. This is right clock. See, normally, in a cross multiplication, what will happen is A by C equal to B by D. B and D can be same unit. A and C can be unit. Same unit. That is allowed. Meter, meter allowed. Seconds, seconds allowed. Because anyway it will get cancelled. Hour, hour allowed. All four in one unit, that is allowed. Understand? So that's why I'm changing one unit alone to minutes. It is in minutes and seconds. So I'm converting into minutes. That's all. See, to gain 6 minutes 48 seconds, it took 170 hours. To gain 2 minutes, it will take how much hours? That's the question. Similar question, you see it once, then only you will understand. Try to understand first how I got 170 hours, how I got 6 minutes 48 seconds, how I got 2 minutes. Then conversion and all will take some time for you. If you practice similar question, you will understand conversions. Forget about the conversions. It is not, Siddharth, if they mentioned in 24 hours, 2 minutes slow means whatever you are telling, the logic is correct. They didn't mention like that. Okay. It is 2 minutes slow at 12 noon. That's all. It is actually a fast clock. It is 2 minutes slow because it is in the second round. In that way, you have to understand the question. Your logic will work only every 12 hours. It is 2 minutes slow. It is not slow clock. It is fast clock. Don't get confused with that. Okay. Next. What's the doubt? So one more UPSC question is there. Similar to this, we'll do that question. First, we'll understand. See here, they mention clearly. A wall clock moves 10 minutes fast in every 24 hours. So correct clock, fast clock reference they gave. 24 hours means it will travel 24 hours 10 minutes. Is it clear? If a correct clock travels 24 hours, wrong clock travel 24 hours 10 minutes. Okay, the clock set right at 8 a.m. Monday. When the clock shows 6 p.m. on Wednesday, so which time they are speaking about? When the clock shows 6 p.m. on Wednesday, which time it is? Fast clock or correct clock? Fast clock, right? So 8 a.m. Monday, 8 a.m. Tuesday, 8 a.m. Wednesday, 12 noon Wednesday, 6 p.m. Wednesday. How much it is traveling? 24 hours, 24 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours. So this is the reference. 24 hours, 24:10, 58 hours, X. Find the answer. That's a UPSC question. So now, see the units. It is in hours. It is in hours. This is in hours and minutes. So 24:10. In what way you have to convert? Which is better? Converting into what? Minutes or seconds or hours? Which is better? Already 2 units are in hours. Understand? Third unit should be in which unit, so that we'll get answer in fourth unit. That you have to decide. Changing into hours will be better because all 4 will be in same unit, then that will be easy for you. So how to convert into hours? 24 hours, 10 minutes by 60 hours. 24, 1 by 6. 144, 145 by 6. So instead of 24 by 10, write it here 145 by 6. Then do the cross multiplication. X into 145 by 6 equal to 24 into 58. X is equal to 24, 58, 6, 145. 2 times, 5 times, 48 into 6. 288 by 5. 288 by 5 means 5, so 5 5s are 25, remaining 38, 7, 3 by 5 hours. 57 hours, 3 by 5 hours. 3 by 5 hours convert into minutes. Anyone tell me? 3 by 5 hours convert into minutes. How many minutes it is? Hours to minutes. Yes, perfect. 36 minutes. 58 hours means it will come here. 57 hours means it will come where? 5:36. That's the answer. So that's what. One more question, if you see, you will understand clearly. Yeah, I understand it is a little bit tough question only. You have to practice a lot. First, understand the question. Similar question, if you do one more, you will understand clearly. Unit conversion is the most important thing here. Everything else is direct. So only two ground rules. Find the reference points, make it into same unit. So unit should be all same unit, that is allowed. AC in one unit, BD in one unit, that is allowed. Or AB in one unit, CD in one unit, that is allowed. Why? Because it will cancel. That's why I'm telling. AB cancel, CD you can cancel. Or AC you can cancel, BD you can cancel. That is allowed. So units, we have to be careful. Okay, do one similar question. Yes, nice question, Siddharth. But you have to know na. See, last question we know that it is 2 minutes behind. Understand? They gave the time. In this question, otherwise last question also I would have taken like that only. 170 hours, 174, 176.48. Then last question also we would have done like this only. Understand? But last question they gave the time. This question, this time they gave the reference directly. That's why we are doing like that. That's the difference. Yeah. Two questions are a little bit different. You do similar question, you definitely will understand. Case if you have any doubt in finding the reference, mail me. I will clarify you. Okay. In these type of questions, because till 2018 they won't ask this type of question, but in 2019 started asking questions in this zone. So we have to look into it clearly. Okay, this question a little bit easy. On day 1, when the correct clock shows 12, fast clock will move 12 to 11:58. On day 30, when the correct clock shows 12, what is the fast clock time? Read the question clearly. 1 o'clock is wrong answer. No. Wrong answer, Shivshankar. 12:30 wrong answer. What we are missing? It's 24 hours clock. So what's the answer? Railway time. Yes, it will show 13. It will show 11. Okay, so 30 days, they are not showing identical time. So option A not possible. 90 days. What will be the time, fast clock time? 90 days, next 60 days. It will show 15. It will show 9. So wrong answer. 120 days. It will show 16. It will show 8. So wrong answer. So none of this is the correct answer. At 120 days, the fast clock will show 16 and the slow clock will show 8. Understand? D 240. Anyone tell me the answer? On 240 the day, what will be the timings? D360, what will be the timing? Here, what is the time? Slow clock. All 12 not possible, Suresh. It's a 24 hours clock. Wrong answer. There is no 0 clock, Siddharth. It's 24. 11 after 11:59, we are not going to say 0 time. It is 12 o'clock only. Understand? 12 o'clock, 12 hours time, 12 o'clock will come. In 24 hours clock, 24 will come, not 0. So when they will show the identical time, on 360th day only, they are showing the identical time. But anyway, none of the above is the answer. Another 360 days means all of them will show 12 o'clock. So 720 days only, all three will show the right time. Clear? UPSC 2017 question. (366) put mute. Understand? Any doubts? Okay, there is a mistake in options, but just understand. At 1 o'clock, it strike once. At 2 o'clock, it strike 2. 3 o'clock, it strike 3. Okay, at 5 o'clock, to strike 5 o'clock, it takes 12 seconds. To strike 10 o'clock, it will show how much time? Seconds. That's the question. So what's the answer? See, striking time not important here. Understand? To strike 5 o'clock, the gap is important here. How many gaps are there? 4 gaps are there. For 4 gaps, it is taking 12 seconds. (10 o'clock) means how many gaps will be there? 9 gaps will be there. So actually 27 seconds is the answer. Striking time doesn't matter. Ding dong, one ding dong sound to another ding dong sound. The gap is important here. Understand? That's the concept. Repeatedly, one question at least they are asking in clocks. So, yes, you try this question. Interesting question. 2015 question. You want to tell me the answer? So 3 minute spaces means how many degrees? We know that 5 minute spaces is actually 30 degree. So 18 degree. Six 36. 60 minute spaces is equivalent to 360 degree. Keep that in mind. Or just by seeing the visualizing the clock, we can say the answer. That's also one way. See, 0 degree situation at 12 o'clock, 0 degree situation happens. Okay. Again, at what time it will happen? Tell me the exact time. Between 1 to 2, find the time. At what time it happens? Between 2 to 3, at what time it will happen? Find it. What is the gap? How much is the gap? Between 12 to 1:05, how much is the time? 65 minutes, 5 by 11. Between 1:05 to 2:10, same gap. So every coincidence happens approximately 65 and exactly 65 5 by 11. Understand? This is most important concept. First understand this. Are you clear how I am getting? The coincidence happens every 65 5 by 11 minutes. Exactly, approximately means 65. Is it clear? If it coincides 60 minutes once, then the clock itself won't work. Understand? 12 o'clock again and again after 1 hour it will come to 12 o'clock only. So every 1 hour it's not coinciding. Every 65 minutes only it is coinciding. Understand? 0 degree situation occurs every 65 minutes once. In other way also we can understand this question. In 12 hours, how many times 0 degree situation will come? 11 times. So for 11 times we need 12 into 60 minutes. For one time we need how much? 720 by 11. 6 11s are 66, remaining 60, 65, 5 by 11. Like this also we can understand. So second concept, one concept already fast clock, slow clock time, that base question, and then this is another concept, most important in clocks. Okay. So based on this, one more question we are going to see. With that, actually, we are going to end the clocks topic. Try to understand the concept. 65 5 by 11 minutes. Okay. Now see, how much does a watch lose per day if it hands coincides every 64 minutes? So like this, they will ask you a question. Every 65 minutes, every 63 minutes, 62 minutes, like that, they will ask you a question. Pattern is same. See, we know that correct clock coincides every 65 5 by 11 minutes. It has to coincide means every 65 5 by 11 minutes only they have to coincide. But this clock coincides in 64 minutes. Understand? So what is the loss? 1 5 by 11 minutes is the loss. That is 16 by 11 minutes is the loss. Understand? So in 64 minutes, my loss is 16 by 11 minutes. In 24 hours, what is my loss? Very easy. Just note down this. I will tell you how to easily remember this question. (33) remaining 30 to 32 8 by 11 minutes. See, all these type of questions they will ask only they will give data instead of 64 they may give 63. They give 63 means put 63 here, the difference here, and then do cross multiplication. If they give 65, put 65 here, the difference here, and then do cross multiplication. That's all. Very easy. How much it will lose per day means what is the difference? In 64 minutes, if I lost this much, in one day, how much I will lose? Understand? In the same pattern, just understand this pattern, just understand this concept. and use it everywhere. Do similar question today itself, now itself, so that you will understand clearly. Clear? So first, normal clocks question. If they give time, finding the angle will be very much easy. If they give the angle, finding the time will be very much easy. And then 0 degree situation, 180 degree situation, and then 360 degree situation. Those things and all very direct. Only two questions are different. One is fast clock, slow clock question, and another is this question. For this, understand the reference, then see similar question today itself, so that you will get clarity. Maximum 1 or 2 days is enough to complete the topic class. Repeatedly, one question at least they are asking regularly. So keep that in mind. Okay. Okay. So time is now 10:49. Okay, come there exactly by 11 o'clock because we don't have time for data interpretation. So I need some more 2 hours completely for DA. Okay. See you after break. Thanks. So data interpretation. Okay. So see, in CSAT, if you see the syllabus, quantitative aptitude, mental ability, logical reasoning, like that, data interpretation is one of the separate heading. Understand, in CSAT syllabus, if you see quantitative aptitude, mental ability, reading comprehension, logical reasoning, like that, data interpretation is a separate topic. But in 2011, they asked one question. 2012, they asked one question. Then till 2018, no questions. 17, no question. 2018 alone, they asked around 12 questions. Again, from 2019, 2020, no questions. Understand? 2018, around 18 alone, they asked around 12 to 13 questions. If you see 2018 question paper, it is full of data interpretation. One table, one question. One graph, one question. One graph, one question. Like that, they ask questions. Understand? So we can't predict whether this year we may expect one question or we may not. That's up to UPSC. But point is, they have a rights. Understand? Like quantitative aptitude, like mental ability, like logical reasoning. DA is itself a separate topic. First, understand that. Understand? But again, last 2 years, no questions. Last 2 years, they gave importance to number system. More questions in number system. Okay, so data interpretation. Data interpretation, the point is we need to interpret. Understand? We should not find the answer. Finding the answer will take much time. So, okay, just we need to interpret. So, interpret means we need to guess and we have to answer. Understand? So, first we'll see some basics questions and then we'll one by one we'll move on. See the bar graph. Just an example, 13 questions, and then all exercise questions, all are UPSC questions. Okay, page number. Anyone tell me the page number? Data interpretation. 180. Page number 180. Take page number 180. See this data and answer these 13 questions one by one. See, full of percentages and ratio proportion. Understand? Percentages. If you are good in percentages, ratio proportion, average, 99% of all the questions can be answered. Understand? So, step by step, first understand the questions and try to answer. So, bar graph given below shows the sales of car and bike from 2000 to 2004. Car is dark blue and blue bike is light blue. Understand? Number of car sales in the y-axis and then year in x-axis. Okay. So, based on that, first question, what is the answer? What is the percentage of sales of car over the sales of bike? Okay. In percentage, finding the base is more important. Understand? Percentage of car over sales of bike. Here, what is 100%? In 2002. In 2002, bike sales is 100%. Understand? Car sales is how much? See, A by B into 100. This is what the percentage formula, but we need to know which is B and which is A. That confusion will come. It's better always go for 100%. Find 100%. The base is 100% always. Bike over car means car will become 100%. Car over bike means bike will become 100%. Is it clear? 100% is 50 because in 2002 the bike sales is 50 and car sales is 35. So how much is the answer? 35 into 100 by 50. 70%. First clear on it. Okay. So similarly, one by one, you have to answer. So my question is first find the base first. Understand the base of the over the, so that you can clearly find the base. And then try to answer the questions. Yes. Okay. Second question. So here, sales of car in 2002, sales of bike in 2000. Sales of bike in 2000 is 30. Sales of car in 2002 is 35. Tell me what is 100%. 35 is 100%. Yes. What percentage of sales of car is bike? In car, bike is how much is the question. See, it's not that always second term is 100%. Don't get confused with that. In car sales, bike sales is how much? Car sales is how much of bike sales. Two terms are there. A of B. Or I will explain like this. What is A percentage of B? Means A by B into 100. B is 100%. What percentage is A of B? Again, it is A by B into 100. I'll let you know the term when it comes. So here 100% is 35. No. Wrong answer. Not in 30, 35. Again, you are predicting wrong. $85, 5 by 7%. So what percentage of A is B means A is the base. How much percentage is A of B means B is 100%. So please be careful. Here A is 100%, here B is 100%. Clear? Understand the difference? See, what percentage of A is B means A will become 100%. B is how much percent? That's the question. How much percentage is A of B means B is 100%. A is how much? In Tamil, actually, they will say the statement. A il B எத்தனை சதவீதம்? A B il எத்தனை சதவீதம்? ரெண்டுத்துக்கும் டிஃபரன்ஸ் இருக்குல்ல? A il B எத்தனை சதவீதம்னா A பேஸ். A B il எத்தனை சதவீதம்னா B பேஸ். டேர்ம் செகண்ட் வருதுன்றதால அது 100% கிடையாது. அதான் சொல்ல வரேன். What percentage of A is B means what percentage of A. So they are taking A as a reference. How much percentage is A of B means B will be the reference. So we have to be clear on the statement. Understand? First understand the statement and then get into that. Okay? Sales of car in 2003. What percentage of sales of bike in 2003? So now 100% is what? 10. Perfect. 15 is how much? Obviously, while seeing it, see, once you write like this, you will understand. Once you see it, you will say the answer. If you using formula means only after application you can say. But once you write it, yeah, 10 itself 100%, extra 5, 50%, 150%. That's all. In that way, it will work. Fourth question. Stop me if you have any doubts. Otherwise, proceed. So, what is 100%? No wrong answer, Anju. What is 100%? 30 is 100%. Then what they are asking? No, they are not asking 50. They are asking 20. Understand? Percentage increase. They are not asking 2002 is how much of 2000 means 50 is how much. Answer is 166%. Question is 2002 is how much increase. So difference only they are asking. So 20. That's the difference you have to understand. Clear? Perfect. 66.66%. 30 100% means 10 33.33%, 20 66.66%. That's all. Clear? Yes. Question number 5. 100% is what? 50. X percentage is 40. Yes. Perfect. Proceed. That's all. Once you get this, then we can directly go to the topic. Question number 6. So what is the answer? That's all. They're not asking percentage here. Directly in 2002, wait, Devagar, I will come back. In 2002 is how much more than 2001? 25 units, that's all. Okay. Question number 5. What's your doubt, Devagar? 2002 to 2003. What is 100% Devagar? 50. You are clear on it. Okay. It is how much decrease from 50 to 10. What is the decrease value? 40. Is how much? That's all. That's the question. Do cross multiplication, we'll get the answer. Or 10 unit 20%, 40 unit 80%. Clear? Okay. Question number 7. Now they are asking percent. More than. What is 100%? So what is X% they are asking? That's all. Clear? So that clarity we will get by this topic. Understand the question, then interpret and say the answer. Stop me if you have any doubts, otherwise you have proceed. 2003, 2002 bike. How much less? $40 less. That's all. Same thing in value. You've done already one question like this. So that's it. Then, which year the percentage increase is higher for car when compared to bike? Anyone? So whenever they are asking increase or decrease means we have to compare. Okay, 2000 to 2001, 2001 to 2002, 2002 to 2003. So 4 years comparisons are there. Okay, car if you see 2000 to 2001 it is decreasing. Only in 2001 to 2 it is increasing. Sorry, car. Car it is increasing 2001 to 2001. It is decreasing, it's increasing. Bike if I take, it is decreasing, it is increasing, it is decreasing, it is increasing. Okay. So car is increasing and percentage increase in car is more than compared to bike. Understand? Obviously 2001 to 2, 3 not possible because it is decreasing. In 3, 4 if you see car is increasing this much but bike is increasing too much. Understand? So obviously this is the only answer. Car is increasing and bike is decreasing. If you want the value, car you see 20 to 40, 100% increase. Car you will see 100% increase. Bike it is decreasing. So answer is 2000 to 2001. 2001 is the answer. In 2003 to 4 if you see 15 to 45. It increased by 200%. But 10 to 55. It is increased by 450%. So 2003 to 4 not possible. Only 0 to 1 possible. Is it clear? Understand this first. Apply the same for 11. Yeah, Diwakar, if you have a doubt, you stop me here. Direct question. What is the total sales of car for the given years? Total sales of the car. We just need to add these values. That's all. 20, 40, 35, 15, 45. Okay, total sales of the car. So just we need to represent the value and we need to take the value. The average sales of the car for the given years. So 155 we have done just now by 531. Average sales. Average means we need to divide by the numbers. So by 5. Question number 13. The ratio of bike sales of 2001 to 2002. 25:50. 1:2. Okay. So first understand this pie chart. There are 7 villages are there. Question number 12. Average. What is the total, Anju? Total is 155. We have found it for 11th question. Divided by which number? We have to do 5. That's all. 31. Okay, try to understand the question first. There are 7 villages. RST, XYZV. Percentages is given. So based on that, they are asking some questions. Okay. No. Actually, the printing mistake. Take a value 3150. Because point won't come in number of people. So that's why I'm changing the data. Gives 3150. Village T, 21% is 3150. Total population. %, how much? Do the cross multiplication. That's all. Clear? Village T population is given. What is the total population they are asking of all the 7 villages? Okay, of the district. In a district, 7 villages are there. Based on that, they are asking some questions. Clear? So first, ask the question: what is 100%? 100% is the total population of the district. There are 7 villages are there. Village T represents 3150 means what is the total population? Okay. Now the total population 100% is 40,000. Village Z represents 11%. So 10% how much? 1% how much? 4,400. Village X population they are asking. No decimal answer. Direct answer. No? 10% 2,000 means 16% how much? 3,200. Why is it that? Is it clear? Direct answer. Question number 1 actually printing mistake. Yeah. Question number 3 fine. Direct answer. Okay. So this is what the understanding. We have seen the basics. Now we are going directly into the questions. Understand? So except 2018, there won't be much question, or I would say no question in almost 7 to 8 CSAT question papers. Understand? First year and second year alone, one or two questions they asked. After that, no questions in the last 8 years, but except 2018. So that's why we have taken, since they are giving more weightage to quantitative aptitude and the reasoning topics, we are giving more classes for that. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to do only UPSC questions. In the last 7 years, UPSC questions. Whenever there DA questions came, those questions, and 1 or 2 example questions. Understand? So we'll try to answer those questions one by one. Full of UPSC questions. Okay, some little bit concept oriented question they gave. Okay, Anju, it may be printing mistake in the question paper. Okay, leave it. Now come back to this question. Consider the following graph in which the birth rate and death rate of a country are given. Okay, birth rate means what? For every 100, how many are actually it is increasing? That's what birth rate. Similarly for death rate. So birth and death rate per 1,000. Understand? In 1970, if there is a value like this, 25 means if every 1,000 people, 25 people are died. Understand? If there is a 1 lakh population means 2,500 will die. Understand? Similarly, next year the birth rate is 300. So population is 1 lakh means 3,000 will be the birth. So next year the population will become 1 lakh. Understand? That's the meaning. Birth rate, death rate. So based on that, now we need to answer these questions 1 and 2. Looking at the graph, it can be inferred from 1990 to 2010. Okay, from here to here. Population growth rate has increased. Population growth rate has decreased. Growth rate of population remains stable. Population growth rate shows no trend. What is the answer? Understand the question and try to answer the question. From 1990 to 2010 alone, you have to see and you have to answer the question. So UPSC question. Any guess? See, in 2000 to 2005 to 2010, if you see, the growth rate is stable, no doubt. But here the gap is this much, but here the gap is more. Understand? So 1990 to 2005, there is one pattern. 2005 to 2010, there is one pattern. Understand? So as no trend is the answer. Growth rate is stable only from 2005 to 2010. Understand? But 1990 to 2000, they are asking 10. So in that way, birth rate is decreasing. Yeah, that will be no trend. That's what the meaning. Exactly, if you know only, then you can answer. Otherwise, there will be no trend only. You can't see. See, birth rate is obviously decreasing, but death rate is decreasing more than that because of medical facilities. Due to that, population growth rate has increased. Growth rate is increasing, but it is not stable, and also you can't say any trend. Understand? No trend. Next question. With the reference to the above graph, consider the following statements from 1970. Population was stabilized after 35 years. From 1970, you have to answer. From 1970 means year. After 35 years means 10, 20, 35. Population was stabilized after 35 years. Whether it is true or false. Yes. After that, it is stabilized. So one is true. Understand? Most logical and rational statement. So one is true. So these two not possible. 1 and 2, 1, 2, and 3. So second statement you no need to see. Third statement alone you have to see whether it is right or wrong. Death rate has fallen by 10% in the first 10 years. Death rate has fallen by 10% in the first 10 years. From 25, it becomes 21. Right? From 25, it is whether it is fallen by 10% or what? Oh, how much percent? 4 or 3.5 or 4.5 doesn't matter. How much is the percentage? It's more than 10%, right? Yes, so not possible. Sorry, sir. 1 and 2. One is false. Population is not stabilized. Population growth rate only stabilized. 1 is wrong. 2 is right. 3 is also wrong. 4 is right. See, try to understand the question. Population. See, try to understand there is a population. 1,000 population. Next year, birth is how much? 18. Death is 2005, you see. Birth is 18. Death is 6. 2012. 2005 to 2006. In 2006, if you see, the population is increased. Population has not stabilized. Population is increased. Population growth rate is stabilized. Birth rate is stabilized. Understand the difference? Population is not stabilized. Population growth is stabilized. Every year in India, population is increasing, even though birth rate and death rate is stabilized. That's what the meaning. Understand? Every year population is increasing because of this gap. Only if death rate is above and birth rate down, then only the population will get reduced. That's the only way. Or otherwise, birth rate and death rate should be same means, then also possible. Here always population will increase. So 1, 2, and 4. Two and 4 is the answer. Birth is more, death is less. So population stabilization is not possible. Is it clear? Yes, yes. Population growth rate means, yeah, birth rate minus death rate. That we can apply. The population means the formula won't come. Population is increasing. The average profit of two fruit sellers A and B. Answer this question. What is the answer? Question number 3. Which year the average of A and B are same? Yes, in 1996 it is same. Next, question number 4. Little bit easy, direct question. In the year 1998, B minus A only they are asking. It's around 600. Yes, perfect. Around 600. Because B is more, so obviously minus 1 possible. Only one value, 600. Any doubts, stop me, otherwise, yeah, proceed. Question number 5. How much more average profit did A make in the year 2000 than in the year 1999? Around 2000 or 1500? Two thousand will come. So because we have to see the value like this. So the gap is 2000 around. Understand? Of course, many confusions will come. It's completely interpretation only. We can't define the answers. You have to guess. From B, 1997 to 2000. Whether it is, yeah, it is non-decreasing, not fluctuating, because it is whether it is stable or increasing. It is not at all decreasing. Understand? So non-decreasing is the answer. It's not fluctuating means it has to increase and then decrease. That is fluctuation. Steady means it has to be steady, not steady. 97 to 98 only steady. Understand? It is not increasing. Non-increasing, not possible. So non-decreasing. Yeah, A is fluctuating. They are asking about B. Non-decreasing. Sharmista, what's your doubt? Question number 3. When it is same, 1997 here. Both are same, right? So read the question clearly and try to answer the question. First question. Two ten by 350. 225 by 375. So what is the difference? 0. Easy questions, very direct questions. It's UPSC question, but little bit lengthy question. Try to understand. Population increased by 5% or more a year. 20 to 21. How much percentage it is increased? What is the increase? It is 5% increase. But 21 to 22, it's less than 5% because 21 is 100%. 1 is how much? If you do it, 100 by 21 will come, which is less than 5%. So, option A wrong. Understand. First, understand one by one. Option A wrong. Income increase by 10% or more every year. Income. 10% is how much? 111. So it is 10%. Fine. From here to here. One to 2.1. It is more than 10%. Fine. From 1 to 2.5, 1 to 2.5. 1347, but it is less than 10%. Understand? 94 to 95 wrong. So B is also wrong. Understand? So obviously it will take at least 2 to 3 minutes for this question. So please be careful while choosing the question. Data interpretation, more important is we have to skip the question. CAT and all, they will have around 10 questions for 1 hour. Understand? Maximum people will touch only 4 to 5 questions. That's how data interpretation will work. So only if you have a time at the end, you can check this question. That's my advice. Okay. So option B also wrong. C. Per capita income was always above 5,000. Per capita income was always above 5,000. Per capita income means population by total income. Total income crores 0000 000 by 20 lakhs. So what at all get cancelled? 5 zeros get cancelled, 0 get cancelled. So it is 5,050. So understand. So you no need to write everything. Write the bigger value alone by 21. How much it is? 5 times 110. Remaining 11. So 50 point something. So it is more than 50. 5,000 more than 5,000. 1225 by 22. 5 times 110 more than that. So more than 5. 1345 by 23. More than 5. So per capita income is correct. Whether it is higher in 1994 or not, that we have to check. But anyway, option C is correct. It's always more than 5,000. Per capita income is more in 1995, not in 1994. That may be the answer. So we have to be careful and approaching the question. So number of professors in selected disciplines in university by sex: physics, mathematics, chemistry, botany, psychology, and economics. Then the age of professors given: 35 to 44, 25 to 34, 60 to 65, 45 to 59. One pie chart is given, one bar diagram is given. Based on that, actually, they are going to ask some 4 questions. First question: how many physics professors belongs to the age group of 35 to 44? How many physics professors belongs to the age group of 35 to 44? See, overall, how many physics professors are there? 32 male plus 8 female. So 40 physics professors are there. In that 40, okay, the total is 40 now. 35 to 44 age group. Yes, how many percent? So 10% is 4. 40% is 6. Clear? Sushankar muted. Okay. Understand how I am telling? So physics professors, there are 40. In that 40, how many are 35 to 44? Direct question, very easy question. Clear? So like that, you try, otherwise I will do. Question number 10 to 12. Very easy, direct questions. Male to female ratio 4:1 for physics, mathematics 28:8, 7:2, chemistry 16:22, 8:11, economics 24:8, 3:1. Which is greater? Physics is greater, 4:1. Okay, 4:1 means 4. 7:2 means 3.5. What percentage of psychology professors are females? Okay. Total psychology, in that females is how much percentage? Psychology. 4 plus 6. Overall 10. 10, 100 percentage means 6 is how much? In total, female how much percentage? 60 percentage. Psychology. Male, female, male 4, female 6, overall 10. In 10, 6 is 60%. Is it clear? Well, so the number of female professors in the age group 25 to 24 equals 25% of all the physics professors in that age group. Then what is the number of male physics professors in the age group 25 to 34? Okay, the number of female professors in the age group 25 to 34 equals 25% of all physics professors in the age group. See, overall total physics is 40. That 25% is how much? 10. Okay, so in 25 to 34 zone, in this zone, how much percent it is? 30%. 30% is 12. Understand? In that, female is 10. Male is how much then? 2. What is the number of male physics professors in that age group 25 to 34? It is 2. That's all. In that age group. Okay. Okay. So 30 is 12. In that 25% they are mentioning. So female count is 3. Male count is 9. So female professors in the age group 25 to 24 is equal to 25% of all the physical professors in that age group. I thought initially physics professors. 25% of physics professors in that age group. So overall it is 30, 12. In that female 3 means male 9. So step by step you have to clarify. Yes, proceed question number 13. If you have any doubt, ask me till this. Otherwise, yeah, proceed. See, practice weekly 1 or 2 data interpretation questions. That's more than enough. Which of the two town has higher number of persons with the diabetes? So in percentage, if they're asking value without knowing the value, we can't say. Even though town B has more diabetes percentage, but population, only if you know the population, you can say. In case here may be 1,000 population, here may be 100 population, then totally you'll get a different value. Understand? So no inference. No inference can be drawn. Yeah, question number 13, no inference. Fine. Next. So what's the answer? Question number 14. So now tell me. Normally pie chart, the total will be 100%. But see here, distribution of diseases in town B, the total is 121%. So obviously, what is the meaning? So answer is not no inference. There are likely to be persons with more than one diseases in town B. Town A also that is possible, but we can't say because 100%. So everyone may be 34% obesity don't have any other disease. 18% diabetes don't have any other disease. That is possible, but which is not at all possible in town B because there is a repetition. That's why then only that 121% will come. So we have to keep an eye on the total in predicting the answers. Understand? It looks like no inference, but inference was there. Clear? So that's the trick they have done in this question. Yes, question number 15. Understand the question and tell the answer. Easy question, direct question. See, A reaches the destination at what time? 25th minute. Listen, B reaches the destination at 35th minute. C not even reaches the destination. So the race was won by A. It's correct answer. B was ahead of A till this 25-kilometer mark. C can row very slow in the beginning. No, C is actually running fast in the beginning. This is wrong statement. 1 and 2 only. Okay. So in the marathon, actually, you should not run fast at the starting. See, actually starting very fast in the starting, but once he reached 20-kilometer, he fell down. Understand? That's why he quit the game. A and B only completes the race. A slowly starting the race and then beating B at the time of 25th kilometer at 25th minute. That's the logic here. Understand? Question number 16. Okay, during a party, a person was exposed to contaminated water. A few days later, he developed a fever and loose motions. He suffered for some days before going to doctor for treatment. On starting the treatment, he soon became better and recovered completely a few days later. Okay, A, B, C, D, E curve was there. Okay. Which region corresponds to incubation phase of the infection? Incubation phase. Okay, obviously A only. After got incubated only, it started showing. So A region. Understand? Direct name. 17. Treatment yielded effective relief. Obviously E. Treatment started at D, but effective relief at E. That's all. So try to complete at least 2 more graphs. So understand the question and try to do 6 months, January to June, thousands of tons imported. Understand how much imported, coil how much imported, sheet how much imported, scrap how much imported. So based on that, they are asking questions. Try to do that calculation and tell me the answer. How to proceed this question? By how much measure tons did the import of steel sheet exceed the import of coil sheets in the first 3 months of the year? Okay, steel and coil, they are comparing only these two. 40. Okay, just 37. Then draw a line and you can identify 36. And then these values are 30, 31, 34 or what? 33. So the difference is 10, 6, 3, 19. Understand? 19. Find their values and then based on that answer this question. Question number 18, 19. Approximate total value of sheet imported over the 6 months period. Sheet they are asking 6 months period. 36. 34. Add those values. 40, 70, 70, 140, 180, 217 into 256. Approximately, what is the value? 55550. Because each sheet costs $250, $256. Approximate ratio of sheet steel and scrap steel imports in the first 3 months of the year. Sheet and scrap. Sheet to scrap. Sheet we have data. 70, 100, 116, 100, 130. Scrap data we need.
98. Around 9.8, 9.8. Around 1.2:1. See, village R population in 1997. $32,000. Then Y population is how much? 15%. First 15% how much? 16% 32,000 means 15% is 30,000. But they are asking why is BPL population? Why BPL percentage is given 52%? 100% 30,000 means 50% 15,000. 1% 300. 2% 600. 15,600. Understand the question. Slowly try to understand the question and then proceed. The ratio of population of village T below poverty line to the top village Z BPL. T to Z. T population is 15%. Z population is 11%. BPL population is in T 46%. In Z 42%. That's all. Cancel one by one. 23, 21, 5 times, 7 times. Village T 21. T21, sorry. Village T is to village Z. Village T population is 21%. Village Z population is 11%. In that, village T BPL population is 46%. Village Z BPL population is 42%. This percentage get cancelled. 21, 42 to 23. 23 is to 11. Understand, irrespective of the population, it will come like this. Understand first, village T, village Z. In that, how much is BPL? Village T, village Z. Identify it. That's all. It's 24. Find the population of village S if the population of village X BPL. So now the reverse they gave. Village X BPL population is 12160. What is BPL population? 38%. 38% is 12160. What is 100%? 100, 12160 by 38. Cancel. 19, 6080. Cancel. 3, 3820. So 32,000. This is village X population. Village X population is 16%. This is 16%. Now they are asking village S population. 11%. Yes, 22,000. Okay, in the reverse, question number 22, 24 are reverse. In question number 22, if S population is given, we need to find X population and then BPL. Now BPL given from that X population, from that S population. Reverse engineering. So everything 100%. First 100% is total population of X. Second 100% is total population of district. So you should not get confused with both. That's my point. Okay. Yeah, two graphs are given. Then based on that, they are asking question. Direct question. In a body, how much is quantity of water? Water is actually 70% they mentioned. So 100% 50 kg means 70% is 35 kg. 70% is water, so 35 kg. Direct answer. Ratio of distribution of proteins in muscles to proteins in bones. Proteins in muscles, proteins in bones. Proteins is actually 16%. 16% of muscles 1 by 3. 16% of bones 1 by 6. 16%, 16%, 2. 2 is to 1. Proteins in muscles to that of proteins in bones. 2 is to 1. So weekly, at least 1 or 2 data interpretation questions you see regularly. You can't complete this topic, such a huge topic. So it's better is actually better understanding of the topic. That's more than enough. So one more point is angle wise it is 360 degree. Understand? Percentage wise it is 100%. So always keep that in mind. 10% is equivalent to 36 degree. 100% is 360 degree. 10% is equivalent to 36 degree. To show the distribution of proteins and other dry elements in the human body. Proteins and other dry elements in the human body constitutes 16 plus 14. 30%. 30% represents how much angle is the question. 10% 36 degree means 30% 108 degree. Is it clear? 10% 36 degree means 20% 72 degree, 30% 108 degree. Like that it will go. This question is a little bit easy only, I guess. Last question, little bit tough. I understand, Charan. Why are you finding difficult in this for this question? 26. This pie chart is a little bit easy. Yeah. Last question is tough. I understand. See, that's what any level they can ask you. Understand? Level 5 also we can expect. Level 1 also expect. But what is always any, not only UPSC, any exam, they will do a scaling like this. Some 20% will be in the tough zone. Understand? 50% definitely in the easy zone, 30% in the medium zone. So that's why I'm blindly saying skip the question if a question tough. Understand? Don't lock in that question. That is more important. You have to come out of that question. It's not about attending all the questions. Understand? Definitely 20% tough questions will be there. That may be a data interpretation question. That may be a percentage question. That may be a simple equation question. You should not stuck in our exams. That is more important. Out of 80 questions in CSAT, at least 65 to 70 questions you have to attempt. So which means 10 to 15 questions you can better leave. Understand? So in that question can be a tough question. That's all. Not stuck with the easy questions. Anyway, it's a qualifying exam. So that is also advantage for us in UPSC. In the human body, what part is made of? Neither bone nor skin. Okay, neither bone nor skin. So 2 by 5 and 1 by 3. Eleven by 15 part. Yeah, none of this. Little bit theory based questions they are asking UPSC, but otherwise data interpretation is easy only. See, you have to practice a lot on percentages, ratio, proportion, average. These three topics are the basic topics for DA and also for all other topics. So that's why I always ask you to give importance to these topics. It will be useful for you in quantitative aptitude. It will be useful for you in reasoning topics. It will be useful for you in DA also, and also in economics part paper. Understand? So that's why basics will be better. Strong your basics. Okay. Yeah. Any doubts you people can ask? Otherwise, class one. Thank you. Thank you.